Hi and welcome to Kippa's Creative Flow. We have got an unusual request on our table today. So my daughter doesn't want to give up. Oops, that's the hot glue. She doesn't want to give up these sand flip flop things. They're literally falling apart from every angle. So first of all, what I was thinking is let's start from inside because there's some stitching along here, which is fine, but we need to just stitch. So the knot's going to go in the inside. Oh, she says that needs to be thicker. Hope you guys are doing all right. Right, let's try that again. Let's go through a different layer actually. Yep, never done this before. Trying it live on TV. Why not? Let's just tuck that in. It's probably not the right colour, but oh well. It's going to be better than what it is right now, because right now it's falling apart. So let's just at least tack what's here, if we can. Let's go. Oh, hot glue keeps going into it. Let me put it on that side, that way. Better for it. Right, how am I supposed to do this? I'll try my best. Gosh, this is going to be a bit orcs. Right, let's just get you guys in. Get that thread in. I hope it still fits there. I might have took it in a few centimetres. It makes you think and appreciate people who make these kind of shoes, how long it must take them. I know some are done by machine, but some are still done by hand. It's crazy. Goodness me. So many fray bits. Right, that's not going anywhere. Not anytime soon. I think this is all good. Which could just be cut off. If there's some on the other one, then we'll just take that off as well. Right. I think we did a job with the, I'm sure with glue last time as well. Let's come back for more, eh? Right, so now I think I should finish this bit off. That's pretty secure, I think, for maybe another month or two. It's funny how some shoes are our absolute favourite. We don't want to get rid of them. They're just comfortable, aren't they? I know these don't look the best, but I think she really likes them. Just going to cut that off. Right, the hot glue is definitely ready as well, I'm sure. So, wow. First of all, I think we'll hot glue under here first, shall we? Oh, it's definitely going on. I'm just gonna push the back of the hot glue as well, and then I'm just pushing it like this, and then we'll attach this. Oh god, you need to move along, love. Oh, I didn't add a bit. Okay. So you come down a bit. I don't want to touch it while it's still hot. Come on. Shall we? Let's go for it. But look, we got teardrop. Oh, right. I think that's the best we're gonna get. So that's fixed shoe, sandal thing, whatever it is. Actually, I might just trim off the edge of that as well. That's it, job's a good one. Take care for now, that's all we were doing today. I know, these projects are crazy, aren't they? Oh, should I hot glue that as well? While we're at it, might as well. It is hot on now. And this is just, I think it's just made out of cork or something. Just hold that together. I could work for this company. Actually, let me just put a bit there as well while we've got it open. Ow. Okay, that one got me. You're probably thinking, why can't you just get some new shoes? Oh gosh, missed a bit here as well. Just holding that in place. That's it. That should stay now. Well, that can go off. Yeah, she left her other summery sandals at her nan's house. So yeah, so she's going to be wearing these tomorrow. We've got a barbecue to go to, so yeah, hope you enjoyed that random video, as you do. Fixing a sandal. But yeah, take care for now. Bye.